Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 19th, 2026, and we're diving into Live Nation's recently released earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Live Nation, as the world's leading live entertainment company, has had an eventful year. I'm excited to break down their financial performance and future outlook with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Live Nation reported a revenue of $25.2 billion for 2025, marking a 9% increase from the previous year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in revenue is primarily driven by the strong performance in their concerts and sponsorship segments. Concerts alone delivered an adjusted operating income of $687 million, up 30%, with a record margin of 3.3%. This indicates a robust demand for live events and effective cost management.
And what about profitability?
Operating income surged by 52% to $1.3 billion, showcasing significant operational efficiencies. The adjusted operating income also saw a 10% increase, reaching $2.4 billion, which underscores the company's ability to capitalize on its global reach and strategic investments.
Concerts and ticketing performance. Concerts have always been a cornerstone for Live Nation. How did they perform in 2025?
Concerts indeed had a stellar year, with an adjusted operating income of $687 million, up 30%. Fan attendance increased by 5% to 159 million, driven by growth in stadium activities and international markets. This highlights the global appeal and demand for live entertainment.
And how did Ticketmaster contribute to this success?
Ticketmaster's revenue grew by 3% to $3.1 billion. Despite a slight decline in sports and other third-party activities, concerts offset this with a 4% increase in fee-bearing tickets. This demonstrates Ticketmaster's resilience and its pivotal role in Live Nation's ecosystem.
Sponsorship and advertising growth. Let's talk about sponsorship and advertising. How did this segment perform?
Sponsorship and advertising saw impressive growth, with revenue increasing by 11% to $1.3 billion. The adjusted operating income also rose by 11% to $845 million, maintaining a strong margin of 64%. This growth is fueled by broad-based strength across online and on-site brand activities.
What does this mean for Live Nation's future prospects?
This segment's performance indicates a strong demand from brand partners who recognize the value of Live Nation's global platform. It positions the company well for continued growth, especially with the expansion of their venue portfolio and global festivals.
CEO's vision and future outlook. And Michael Rapino, Live Nation's CEO, has shared some ambitious plans for the future. Can you elaborate on his vision?
Michael Rapino emphasized the bond between artists and fans, which has driven double-digit growth. He highlighted strategic investments of nearly $15 billion in artists and shows, which not only boost ticket sales, but also revitalize local economies. The company is poised for another year of double-digit operating income and AOI growth in 2026.
What are the key factors that will drive this growth?
The key factors include a deep pipeline of large-scale shows, continued expansion of their global footprint, and investments in premium infrastructure. These initiatives are designed to enhance the artist-fan connection and ensure Live Nation remains the ultimate partner for artists.
EPS forecast and market reaction. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 1 to 2 cents, but Live Nation reported an actual EP24. How has the market reacted to this?
The market has reacted positively to this earnings beat. The actual EPS of 90.24 is significantly better than the forecasted $1.02, which indicates stronger than expected financial performance. This has likely bolstered investor confidence in Live Nation's strategic direction and future growth prospects.
What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this earnings beat suggests that Live Nation is effectively managing its operations and capitalizing on market opportunities. It reinforces the company's potential for sustained growth and profitability, making it an attractive investment option.